Hello, my beautiful people. So good to see you again. It is not going to be another whole month before I film another video, so you're welcome. But I did want to say today is going to be more of a skincare video, and I'm really excited to do this one because I bought these really expensive items. You see the price tag. I ain't hiding that. I do work at Ulta, so I get a little bit of a Disney discount. But I really wanted to try these, and I kid you not, I have waited to buy these for a long time. Probably for 6 months to a year at this point. But they have stayed in the store for that long. No one has bought them. So I took that as a sign and said, honestly, no one's bought these. And I really want to try them out and do it for myself because these are a 24K gold mineral mud mask and Dead Sea Osmoter Supreme Hydration Cream Blue Light Defender. Like, this stuff is real stuff. And it's from Israel, I believe. I believe that's where it comes from, which is even crazier because I love trying things from different countries. So with all that said, I'm going to put the information about these right here on the screen, just for you to read a little bit. And I'm going to start with the mud mask. I'm going to go wash my face. I'm going to go put the mask on and see how we like it. I'm going to product review these products, okay? And then after that, I'm going to put on the moisturizer and let y'all know if it's worth the money. But just before I get right into the video, I do want to say, please hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to like this video if you like the video. And guys, turn on those post notifications so that every time I'm posting, you ain't gonna miss a post from me. All right, let's get into it. It's definitely 24 karat gold. Ooh. Don't really know what to expect from this at all. Oh, I might have to go in the bathroom. I don't know if I can get this open. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. There barely ain't nothing in here. Bro, look at this. Hang on a minute. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? And how much was this? Well, now I know you guys like to rip people off, so that's fantastic. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't know how I feel about this already. I'm honestly still shocked at the fact that there's like half the product in here. I really am. Like, I'm just like, I'm frazzled. I'm kind of frazzled at the moment because you're not gonna have me buy a bag of chips for $25 and only be one chip in the bag. That's pretty much what they just did to me. They made me spend $2,500 on this skincare. And there's barely a chip in here. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Honestly, I think I'm gonna just like go and try to put this all over my face and then come back and then tell y'all what did I buy? So I'm gonna go ahead and say, just take a wild guess, that this has been sitting on the shelf a little too long and it's expired because I don't think it should be doing this. And if it is, then I don't know what's up with y'all's mask. Like, but regardless, y'all gotta put more product in there because my God, ain't nobody gonna spend that kind of money for this crap. And this is why I do product reviews, y'all. This is literally why. So let's just hope that this moisturizer blows me out of the water. Okay, now that I got that off my face, it made my sink gold. But AHAVA, let's see if you can redeem yourself with the moisturizer because I'm already not impressed. Oh, it's actually full in there. Okay, so that's a good sign. You actually put the product in the container, which is good. That's the first step. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. All right, now let's put it on our face. And I actually did read reviews for this moisturizer on Ulta, and they were pretty good reviews, I guess. Wow, this is thick. Wow, this is thick. But I will say I'm a lot more impressed by the moisturizer than that mask. That mask is an absolute no-go. Okay. I mean, other than like putting it on, it was kind of thick, but like it feels lightweight though. Like it feels lightweight. I don't feel like I have like a whole layer of lotion or nothing, moisturizer on my face. So looks like you redeemed yourself with this one. Just be careful though. So I do want to just bring up, I just noticed this, the Osmoter, Osmoter, and it says major elements in mg and /L, which I think is milligrams and liters. I don't know. Magnesium, calcium, bromine, sodium, and potassium. That's interesting. So apparently these ingredients are in this moisturizer. Well, you guys, I think we all got our answer here on what product is a no-no and what product is a okay. But would I still recommend buying them? No, not for the price. Because honestly, I think that was on sale from the original price. But anyways, stay you, stay cute, stay beautiful. We'll see you in my next video.